How to get more display resolution options on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to get the display resolutions options or you want to change the display resolution, here are three solutions. So for the very first one, you have to click on the search bar and type in resolution. Then after, click on the first option, which is change the resolution of the display. This will open the system settings. After this, you have to go to display resolutions and change the resolution as your wish. This is the first way to do so. For the second option, you can go back to the desktop or home page, right click and go to display properties. Once the display properties is open, scroll down a bit and go to advanced display and select display adapter properties. From here, you have to click on list all modes. Then you can select for any of the display resolution type as per your wish. This is the second solution. The third solution for it is customizable resolutions that you can download from the open sources. For that, you just have to download the .exe file, extract all the files and use it accordingly. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.